Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Diamond Blossom, which is located in Hoskur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Diamond Developers. And today we are here to do the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So basically we are here on the main entrance of the project and this is the land parcel of the project. So you can have a look at the land parcel, and just behind me is the marketing office of the project. And the land parcel once again. Here's the land parcel where you can even check out the model flat is about to get ready. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with developers. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 1.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 30 boutique villas. All the villas will be 4 BHK villas with European theme-based architecture of ground plus 2 stories. Now about the location part, and the project is located off Sarjapur Road on Dhammasandra Hoskur Road in Hoskur, South Bangalore. So let me show you that basically this is the Dhammasandra Hoskur Road. So this road just behind me will take you towards Dhammasandra and the opposite side road will connect you towards Gatahalli. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Sri Chaitanya School in 2.3 kilometers. Wipro Koretti Tech Park is just 3.5 kilometers away. Hosa Road Metro line is 4.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Additionally, you have easy connectivity to 3 major IT hubs, that is Electronic City, Whitefield and Marathalli. Now about the amenities part, and the project is coming up with world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, half basketball court, mini amphitheater, kids play area and many more amenities. Now about the super built up area. So the project is coming up with 30 boutique villas. All the villas will be 4 BHK villas with European theme based architecture, and the villas will be of 2,400 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model villa as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Diamond Blossoms, which is located in Hoskur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Diamond Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.